Hi, Denver 3D Printing here with one of my one-piece air intakes. This is a newer design, but I thought I would just come out and show how to put it in. It doesn't vary much from the older design, just slight modifications, just to, make things better. Anyways, I just wanted to show you how I get this one piece in here in case you had any problems. Basically, you just slide it in from one side there. You got to kind of wiggle it around. You notice that I put the boot on the intake side first, so that way I can reach in and get this rubber boot set in there just right. I like to make sure it's all the way up flush with the throttle body there. As far as these screws go here, I just use the standard stock screws. When I take them out, they are kind of a pain in the butt. I got this little special ratcheting wrench here that has I think it's a T25 on there. Might be a little bit bigger. I leave this top center one out because it's, well, really hard to get in there. Once you get it going, you can reach down in here. Tighten those up, stick your little air sensor in, air sensor plug. For this clamp, I always like to just undo it right here. Flip it around. Oh. This way I can get it down in there and I don't see all my clamps hanging around everywhere. This one currently is a 105 millimeter throttle body. This setup here goes up to a 108. You could probably stretch the sides or even flip those sides vice versa to get the 112 millimeter throttle bodies on. And then this is my green filter, and it just slides over like so. Just like that. Until it